Hello friends! You are on the Home Tips channel. In this video I will show you how to clean grease from pots. I have pots like this. They are clean on the outside, but the handles are covered in grease. You can't scrub it off with a sponge or brush, but the product I am going to tell you about now will clean the pots easily. If your pots are dirty on the outside, you can use this method. 5 minutes and your pots will be sparkling. The first ingredient we need is charcoal. It needs to be crushed. To avoid staining anything around, I put a cutting board and a paper bag on the table and wrap the coal itself in cling film. I will crush the coal with a kitchen wooden hammer. In this case, the charcoal sold in stores for starting a fire will do, or you can buy activated charcoal tablets. This is the amount of crushed coal I got. I'll put a couple of tablespoons into a separate container. I'll need it later. I add a little warm water to the remaining coal. This is the kind of paste you get. Take the charcoal paste and coat all dirty areas of the pot with it. This could be the bottom, sides or handles. Now, the pots need to be left like this for 10 minutes. When the time has passed, place the pots in a larger pot and add water. We will boil this solution, so pour in the hottest water possible so that it boils faster. Place the pots on the stove, bring the solution to a boil and simmer for 30 minutes. Add water periodically because it will boil away. Half an hour has passed and look how well all the grease and dirt has softened. It is now easy to clean. Take a lemon and cut it in half. We will need 1 lemon half. Squeeze lemon juice into the charcoal powder we left earlier. We don't need the lemon seeds, so I remove them. I remove 1 pot from the solution. It cools very quickly, so I start cleaning it right away, as it is easier to clean when it is hot. My pot has dirty handles, so it is best to use a toothbrush to clean it, and if you are cleaning the bottom and sides this way, use a damp sponge. Look how well all the dirt came off, and most importantly, quickly. Handles are quite difficult to clean, but if you clean the bottom of the pot, you will have it sparkling clean in just a few minutes. Where the fat is heavily clogged, you can use a toothpick. Please note that this cleaning method is suitable for aluminum and stainless steel pots, but may leave a residue on enamel surfaces. After cleaning, the pot should be rinsed thoroughly under running water with dishwashing liquid to remove any remaining charcoal. If you notice your pots have darkened after cleaning, take the lemon half you squeezed the juice from and rub the pots with it. A couple of minutes and your pots will be shiny again. Look at the excellent result. The pot handles are perfectly clean. The pots had such greasy yellow handles. And this is what they look like now. So friends, use this tip if you want to clean your pots of stickiness and grease. I hope you enjoyed this tip. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. And please share your favorite methods for cleaning pots in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in more videos.